Most of us have looked up in the night sky and seen the Big Dipper, just a giant spoon chilling in the sky. Have you ever wondered, well, what's a spoon doing up there in the first place? What use could it possibly serve? Well, what are other spoons used for? Well, eating, of course. And what's usually eaten with a spoon? Cereal. So if the Big Dipper is going to be used to eat cereal, the question now is how much cereal can actually fit in a spoon that huge? Put simply, the answer is a lot. But say perhaps we were to fill the Big Dipper with Cheerios. How many could fit inside it? So let's figure this out. Alright, before we get crazy, let's start small with just a single Cheerio. One Cheerio is about half an inch in diameter, meaning there are 2 Cheerios in an inch. Well, there are 12 inches per foot and 5,280 feet in a mile, so that's 826,720 Cheerios in a mile. There are also about 5,879,000,000,000 miles in a light year, so that means there are 744,986,880,000,000,000 Cheerios in a light year. But that's only if the Cheerios are arranged in a straight line. So if we square that number, we get how many Cheerios are in a square light year, which is 555 undecillion, 5 decillion, 451 nonillion, 372 octillion, 134 septillion, 400 sextillion. Now that we know how many Cheerios are in a square light year, we need to figure out the area of the Big Dipper in light years. To do that, let's put a model of the Big Dipper on a graph. Now, this is going to be based on the apparent positions of the stars in the Big Dipper because, of course, the universe is three-dimensional and the stars are actually varying distances away. Because the bottom 2 stars are almost the same distance from Earth, we will base the scale of our graph on the distance between these 2 stars, which is about 17 light years. Now, if we rotate the model and find the distances between the stars, we will find that the side lengths are 17, 11.5, 9.75, and 20.6. This area is not a perfect rectangle, so we're going to split it into 2 almost right triangles and solve as if the 2 sections were actually right triangles. So 17 times 11.5 is 195.5, then divided by 2 is 97.75, and 9.75 times 20.6 is 200.85, then divided by 2 is 100.425. Now if we add these 2 numbers together, we get 198.175, which is the area of the Big Dipper in square light years. Now all we have to do is multiply the number of Cheerios per square light year by the area of the Big Dipper to get our answer. 109 duodecillion, 988 undecillion, 205 decillion, 325 nonillion, 672 octillion, 734 septillion, 720 sextillion Cheerios can fit in the Big Dipper. So all in all, a lot of Cheerios. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.